Good morning, students. Today I will take a class on the topic combustion of flame. So, what is combustion? क्या है combustion? Combustion मतलब जलना. कुछ भी सामान जो जलता है वही combustion होता है. In the presence of oxygen. Oxygen होना चाहिए जलने के लिए, ठीक है? Then fuel is very combustible. मतलब fuel तो मालूम है सबको, kerosene, petrol वही है, okay? Then light is also given. Light भी हो सकता है. For example, if you light a candle, flames बाहर आएगा, color आएगा, okay? Let's try one activity, okay? This you can try it at home also. So what do we take first? We take a fixated candle, okay? And then these wooden blocks, okay, and then we fix it in one area, okay, and then we need one glass jar and another candle. Will only use the glass jar without the wooden sticks, okay. So now we'll see how it works, okay. So what happens first is this candle, it burns freely, okay. Why? Because of the presence of the wooden stalks. This enables the air to go inside this jar, okay. So with the presence of oxygen, the flame can be burned. All right, next, coming to the next jar. In this jar, we did not keep any wooden blocks, so there is no presence of oxygen coming inside, okay, no oxygen. What happens is the flame will flicker, it will flicker. It will flicker, and then after flickering, the flame will go off. The flame will go off due to the absence of oxygen. So this activity, you can try it for yourself at home. Okay? That's on the substances which burns, which catches fire easily. Okay? क्या-क्या सामान जो जल्दी burn होता है. Okay? Example, I can give you matchstick, then papers, newspapers, then clothes, cotton clothes, etc. Okay? And next we have the inflammation substances. Okay? Inflammable substances. So what kind of substances are those? These substances ना ये सामान जो air में with which has a very low ignition temperature. Okay, for example, I can give you fuel, petrol, diesel. ये सब very low ignition temperature होगा, like your gas stove also. These have very low ignition temperature. So if it is attached to the flame, जल्दी में it can also burst out. Okay, because of the presence of oxygen. So now next what we'll discuss is how do we control fire, okay? कैसा fire को control कर सकता है, ठीक है? Water cools the combustible material so that its temperature is brought down below its ignition temperature. ये मतलब क्या है? अगर आग जल गया तो क्या कर सकता है? पानी से दे सकता है, okay? We can use water to cool down the temperature, okay? So that the flame will go off. ठीक है. Then water vapor helps in cutting off. Water vapor सबको मालूम होगा. Water vapor means it has the presence of water, okay, in the water vapor, and then it cuts down the supply of air. Oxygen का supply cut down करता है और it deflames, okay, deflames the fire. Next, the job of the fire extinguisher is to cut off oxygen. So why we usually see in most buildings, huge buildings or offices or hospitals, they keep the fire extinguisher. Why? Because anytime anything can happen, no fire can happen. आग लग सकता है. So what does it contain? What does the fire extinguisher contain? So the fire extinguisher, what does it contain? It contains carbon dioxide, okay? Carbon dioxide, it helps with the cutting of the supply of air, okay? Cutting the supply of oxygen. Then the job, it is to bring down the temperature of the fuel, okay? So this fire extinguisher, it helps with the temperature also. It brings down the temperature of the fuel. Now next, let's see the types of combustion, okay? The types of burning. Kaisa, how it occurs, all right? So, first thing, turn on the knob of the gas stove. Gas को आग लगाता है ना, देता है, ऐसा you can turn off and see how the flame goes on, okay? Then the next, the gas burns rapidly. जल्दी में burn हो जाता है and produces, क्या produce करता है? Heat and light. एक साइड में heat देता है और एक साइड में flame and light जैसा देता है, okay? That is known as what? Rapid combustion. जल्दी में burn होता है, that is rapid combustion, okay? The next we have combustion in which a material suddenly burns into flames without any apparent cause is called spontaneous combustion. And in this we can see that ये material suddenly जो burn होता है ना, like suppose it flicks, it gets a flame, okay, it burns into flames without any apparent cause. मतलब क्या है? You don't need a matchstick or any ignition, okay? It burns by itself. That is, I can give you example like phosphorus. Okay, phosphorus, it burns rapidly, okay, without any apparent cause. The next we have when a cracker is ignited. क्रैकर तो सब ने क्रैक कर लिया है, दिवाली में वो सब यूज करता है ना क्रैकर्स. सो व्हेन अ क्रैकर इज इग्नाइटेड क्या होता है? रिएक्शन टेक्स